Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Hey guys, we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1967 Pontiac Firebird 400 convertible. This is a PHS documented original 400 car. Pretty car, man. Factory Regimental red, factory red interior. It's got a new white convertible top. Actually, from the factory, it was supposed to be black. But nice car, man. Recent body up restoration. Car is very nice underneath. Got some good pictures of the bottom of the car for you. Car was actually a factory air car, but they've upgraded it to the R134 AC, so air in a convertible is not easy to find. This car does have it. Power steering, power front disc brakes. Really a nice car. The only thing I'd kind of nitpick on the car, I think it needs a little bit bigger tire in the rear. You know, it's got 215s all the way around it. I'd put a little bit bigger meat in the rear, and I think it'd give it a little bit more muscle car look. But really a nice car. Again, factory red on red. Car runs and drives excellent. Really seems like everything works. All the lights, the turn signals, the AC works. And again, it's upgraded. They've replaced the front bumper. It's got a brand new front bumper. I saw a little touch-up mark you can see in here. Other than that, really just kind of nitpicking. The only things I could kind of see that you could kind of adjust that hood a little more. Those hoods are kind of a pain in 67, I do know that. But man, this is a nice car. Runs out good, drives excellent, and again, this is a factory 400 car. Good, solid, straight body. And again, we do have all the PHS documentation for the car. Interior's very nice. Saw one little mark on the seat in there. This is pretty cool. This is a brand new boot. You know, I can't tell you I've owned a million 67 Firebird convertibles, but this thing fits nice, and boy, in 67 through 69s, those boots didn't fit great. This one fits awesome, and it's all snapped down. I'll bet you that's aftermarket. Again, really nice car, pretty paint. Car came out of Georgia. That's just a little something there that rubs off, a little bug or something. But nice car, man. Nice and straight down the sides. Like you say, the only thing I could kind of nitpick is I'd put a little bit bigger tires on the rear. Fronts are fine, but a little bit more meat on the rear would be nice. Again, front and rear bumpers are brand new. The restoration on this car is done within the last 4 or 5 years. It was a complete body up. It's got new bushings in the subframe. Really nice underneath. New fuel tank. Again, floors are nice. I think they put new floor pans in the rear. Did a really nice job. Good looking car. Does have front disc brakes. It's got all the correct PMD caps and lugs. Again, factory 400 car, Holley 4-barrel, stock intake and exhaust manifolds, power steering, power front disc brakes. He said it, and I can see the little box, he said it's got a painless wiring kit in it. Factory air car, they have upgraded it, so it's got the newer compressor with the R134. It's got a aluminum radiator, still uses the factory shroud, 400 trans. I don't believe that's the original engine. Just by a little research that I did, I don't think it's got the original engine, but it is a factory 400 car. Good car. Remote mirror, which is cool. Power windows. Forgot about that. Little rubbing compound there in the corner. If you see that, that'll come out. We just rubbed it out. Really a good car, man. Chrome and stainless is nice. Again, factory remote mirror, that does work. Looks like it's got the original door handles. Car's only got 50-some thousand original miles on it. Factory power windows, and it's got the remote mirror. Sorry, there's a little carpet sticking out there if you see that. It's not paint or anything. I have ordered new Firebird floor mats for it. Bucket seats, console. It's got the sport steering wheel. Again, it is a power top, power windows. 57048 on the odometer. That's supposed to be correct. I know the fuel gauge works. Aftermarket radio. I think I did say this. I ordered new Firebird floor mats for it. Dual exhaust. Factory 10-bolt rear end. Not a big gear in it too. Probably factory 308, 323, somewhere in there. It's definitely a highway gear. It's got a gray coat in the trunk here. Nice and solid. Here's your, it's got that's all your PHS documentation. I'm not sure what's on there. It'll come out. It looks like a little wax or something splashed. Nice car. Again, very nice underneath. Got it up on the hoist. Took some pictures of the bottom of the car for you. New fuel tank. New dual exhaust. Good car, man. Good, straight Pontiac. This door bumper keeps popping off. I think we do have that, though. All the power windows do work. Touch up mark that. I didn't see a whole lot to nitpick, really, in the paint. There's that one little spot I seen there in the seat. Great car, man. Good, solid body. Nice, fun car to drive. Air works. Air blows cold. Even a little light back there in the console works. All your dash lights work. New sport steering wheel. I'll have Nathan fire it up. Again, you can nitpick those door handles. They look original. A-pillar chrome's really nice. Could have wiped that down better. AC does work. Like I say, blows nice and cold. It's got a it's got the upgraded R134 in it. A little bit of a belt squeaking. Again, there's not much for gauges. Fuel gauge does work. We'll get you some pictures of the top. Go ahead, Nathan, you can shut your door. Shut your door. Even the backup lights work. Good running car. Car hits the road real nice. Again, drives good. Radio works. Blower motor works. Turn it up a little bit so you can hear it.
Best deal possible, right there.
And blower motor works, power windows all work. Make sure you shut this door when you go to put that window up. We thought one of them wasn't working, but all it was the door wasn't closed. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram page, our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. That way you can get an update every time I post one of these videos. Or as always, guys, the old-fashioned way, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Have a great day, guys.